Hey guys, Binking here today for another tutorial on the butterfly knife. Today I'm going to teach you a trick called, well, it's got many names. It can be called the tornado, the cyclone, or the windmill. And the way this works, I'll do the slow motion. So you start this gripping like this. This comes over. Again, you're holding the safe handle, by the way. This finger comes over here. So see how I had it like this? How it switches over to here. So it goes on the back. This thumb comes around here, and you flip this like this. So let me start over. This comes over on the other side. So does this. This flips up. Then you do the same thing and let it carry over. So altogether it looks like this. Okay, I just did it 3 times. Again, flip, switch, switch, turn over, turn over. Now, you can do this in a reverse, which is where when you flip, you go like this instead, and then you do this. So when you do this, this closes, and then when you flip it off the other way, you have it open. There's your tutorial for the day on ballad songs. Thanks, like and subscribe.